Let's be honest, the Chinese stock market has been a bit of a mess for the last 6 to 12 months, but there are some great stocks, some forgotten stocks out there that are definitely worth looking at. Now, you can trade these stocks from pretty much anywhere in the world, US, UK, Europe, wherever you want to. And one of these is one I'm going to have a look at today. Now, they've been pushing on up, having a good 23 so far. I think there's some more room to the upside to come. Like I said, there's a bunch out there that are certainly worth digging into and having a look, and we are going to take a look at one of those right now. So let's get into the analysis. What's the name of this company? Well, they're called New Oriental Education and Technology Company. Now, the ticker is EDU, and they are a Chinese-based company, and they are engaged in delivering educational programs, services, products to students nationwide through network of schools, learning centres, bookstores, as well as just online e-learning type platforms. They're a tech education company, and in China that's a very popular big market to be involved with. There's a few competitors to New Oriental which are also doing quite well at the moment, but this one I like in particular. The fundamentals are reasonably sound behind the stock, and it's got a market cap just under 8 billion. In terms of analyst rating, a very strong buy at the moment. But I suppose we have to factor in the political risk of investing, trading these type of stocks. Really don't know what's going to happen in mainland China and any government intervention in the stocks. But we are moving forward with the point of view that we're looking for bullish opportunities. So let's dive into the charts. And you can see the weekly candlestick chart, longer term view going back to 2016. And what's the big takeaway? Well, the first obvious one is the big massive fall off in the price, down 96.1% very quickly from sort of about February 21 through to July, August 21. Very quick collapse in the price. Then we got this bottoming out, and like I said in the intro, it's been pushing up strongly through 23, but actually started from those lows middle of last year and up now 554% from those lows, and getting stuck around this Fibonacci point, which is about $52, $53, before it can start breaking up to that next key Fibonacci line, which is about $80, and then just over $100. Momentum starting to look more bullish. You can see the volume at price here. The majority is at this level here, so that's a key area to look out for, $22 to $25, and then you can see there's not a lot there until we start to get back to $80, $90. But the takeaways, we've seen the growth, we've seen that fall off, and hopefully now we're looking for a recovery and push on up back into where that trend could have been heading if it hadn't have had this collapse. Now in the shorter term, you're looking for reversals in prices. The line break chart is great for that, and at the moment we've got a bearish setup in play. Entry points 44.7, 44.1. You can see the numbers down over there, and it's looking to break down there. Now if we are bullish, we can let this play out and then wait and join back in and look for that bullish entry. But if you're bearish to the stock, you think it's going to come on down, a couple of prices there for you to consider. Now into the Renko charts, I've used a 50 cents for the short term and a $1 block size for the longer term. Starting on the shorter term, what have we got? Well, at the moment, I suppose the indicators showing mixed signals. There we've got the indicator, the awesome oscillator there, showing bullish, the stochastic bearish, so sort of neutralizing each other out. But we can see the recent run over April has been very good, and just breaking up, trying to get through those highs around $46. If we're looking for that little reversal in the price, what targets could we expect? 49, 50, and then 53. So a few upside Fibonacci's quite close together there. And downside wise, well, I think you're going to look at 42, 40 and 39, sort of again 40 area. They're so close together because of this sort of range it's been trading in, the highs and the lows between the two, so it's given a tight shorter term set of targets there. But if we jump on over to the longer term on the right hand side, we can see that momentum on the indicators is both bullish. We can see that nice uptrend that's been fighting in, but notice the triple top at play here at the moment on the Renko chart. $46. It's struggled to get through that mark, but if it does, then I think that's going to be a strong indication that we can push on up towards 56 and then $60 in the sort of medium to longer term. So with that technical analysis, let's get to the scores and mark New Oriental. So I'm going bullish overall for New Oriental. We head up into some numbers in the top right. If you are bearish to the downside, we've got the line break chart giving you 44.7, 44.1 as potential entries. But if you are bullish and you still think that's got some short-term bearishness in it, wait for that to play out and buy back in on the bullish reversal. Sentiment fundamentals both bullish. In terms of Renko charts, short-term and the longer term both bullish, maybe a bit more neutral at the moment in the shorter term. Now in terms of targets, 1.3 and 2.9. To 1 to the upside, and the downside is 1.41 and 3.14 to 1. But overall at the moment, New Oriental bullish. So New Oriental, an interesting stock to watch. When you're potentially going to invest in the stock, take a look at the wider Chinese macro picture, what's going on over there before putting in your hard-earned cash. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Chinese stocks, and in particular New Oriental. Are you trading it? Have you made any money out of it? Let us know, like I said, in those comments below. Love to hear from you. Now if you liked the analysis, the technical charts that I've used in the video, I've got a great playlist for you coming up at the end of this video. Ultimate free trading course, work your way from the top to the bottom. It's not just going to give you all you need to know about technical analysis, all strategies, risk management, the markets, psychology. It's all in there and will take your trading to the next level, and that is coming up now.